it's Jerry from Refinish Coatings. We're going to show you some information on our vinyl repair compounds and maybe help out with the understanding of our terminology and our products. Today I'm going to talk about 3 of our products. Heat cure compound, we call it, not vinyl repair compound. You can call it that, but we like to refer to it as heat cure compound because customers might be using it on leather. We have our 680, our thick compound. We have our 668 soft flex compound. And we have our 676, our new base fill, red base fill. I'm going to show you that. We also have a couple other ones you can look on our website to see, but these are the 3 I'm going to focus on today. And the differences, the 3 main differences that I can quickly sum up is on these 3 is the softness and the flexibility. On the 668, the soft flex, it's very soft, it stays soft, it takes texture really well, it takes heat well. It's very flexible, very stretchy. That's our 668. That would be great over softer feel vinyls and soft feel leathers. Our next is our 680, which to me is my workhorse. It's very tough and rigid, takes heat well, not as well as the 668, but it does bake very well. And then last is our 676, which is more like a dough. You could push it in where you need. Here are the 3 places you would use these. On upholstered vinyl and leather, I would use the 668. Let's just take that over again. So I'm going to show you some examples of what you would use where. On this piece of vinyl, this upholstered vinyl, this maybe on a cushion, and it was a soft flexing area. The soft flex works great. It's got a deep texture. This will take the texture real well. Our 680 thick vinyl compound will be great for fixing this thicker, more rigid surface. It'll feel more like that. And last would be on molded vinyls, where you have a deep hole and a hard surface around it. The red base fill you can push in and work in like dough, and I'll show you that in a minute. The other thing, when I'm curing, this curing is not a word I particularly like to use. I like to refer to the compound as baking it like you would a cupcake or you would a hamburger in the oven, whereby you need to heat that material to a certain temperature all the way through. An example would be taking a cupcake out of the oven and biting into it, and the base of it is still a little bit more like batter, or a pizza pie the dough still isn't fully baked, and so that's what leads to product failure. So you have to remember to bake or cook the compound all the way through, and you'll see me do that now.